Kudama Kosef, welcome back team. In this video, I will brief you about task 2 of the document. Task 2 requires 800 word to 1000 word contribution. So please follow the contribution, and it requires a proper referencing styles to be followed and appropriate references are given to the theory that is written by you people. Okay. So the main requirement is we need to select one of the data visualization tool that is discussed in task 1. You people know that other than Tableau means like the new open source tool or commercialization tool that is selected and analyzed in task 1.2, any one among them should be selected, and we should write how we can implement it along with business big data visualization. Okay, so to conduct big data visualization, how that selected visualization tool can be used, that should be explained in this section. Okay, you need to select a fictitious organization, means it's like an organization that is not existing, and we need to address some important elements such as what are software and hardware requirements, what are the licensing hardware or software licensing that is required to implement the data visualization tool, what kind of training should be given to the individuals, and how information security and privacy compliance can be achieved. Okay, so let me explain you how to address this one. Most like the people, most of the people who work on this kind of requirements will have a confusion how to contribute more number of words on software and hardware licensing costs and hardware and software requirements. See, just identify whatever the information that is required for each and every software and hardware requirement that is required for implementing data visual tool, and try to brief about purpose of the software or hardware that will be used. Okay, so then this is a simple section which requires a minimum 50 or 100 words to complete it. Okay, maybe we will be creating a software cost table and hardware cost table, and we fix it in that way, like we just give few sentences of description about software costs and hardware licensing costs. Okay, so most word contributing sections are training section and addressing privacy and security compliance sections. Okay, so these two sections are very important and they consume more number of words. Okay, I suggest you to write at least 250 words on training section and at least 300 to 400 words on security and privacy section. Okay, remaining data can be allocated for these two sections. If it is 800 words, 300 words on training and 300 words on security and privacy, 100 words each on software and hardware requirements. It makes it simple for you, and it will be you can easily explain it. Before writing these four sections, you need to discuss about what is the tool that you selected and why you selected that tool. You need to provide justification. In total, it is 800 word to 1000 word report. Properly address it. In the training section, again you will get a confusion. What, like, how can we write 300 words on training section? You just identify what are the things that should be trained to the employee person who, like, organization, why we should provide that kind of training, and based on that you can write it. Maybe for example, implement using a menu, like using some important elements of data visualization tool, training on creating better designs, training on evaluating data that is available. Okay, preparation of data, training on preparation of data. Maybe in that way you can explain different sections related to the training. Okay, so then it will easily contribute, you can easily contribute 300 words on training section. All right guys, so I guess information security and privacy, you can easily write 300 words, because handling security and handling privacy, these are two different things. If you address 150 words on security and 150 words on privacy compliance issues, it is done with completion of this task too. Okay guys, so these are the important sections that you should address. Please follow the explanation and try to fix it as quick as possible. Okay, regarding task 3.5, after I complete task 1, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, I will create a dashboard and I will share it to you, and I will brief about the dashboard, and by using that briefing, that information, you can explain why the dashboard is important, and how it will be influencing analysis part of the crime rate in the city. Okay, so for task 3 I will make another video. So this is like, let us confine ourselves to task 2 in this video. Okay, so please address all the tasks properly. Right guys, thank you.